Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another adulteration test in our edible oil, and the test that we are going to perform is a detection of the mineral oil in a edible oil. Okay, so we all know that the adulteration is what? Adulteration is a substance which added into the food product to decrease the quality of that product and increases the quantity and um, some other like your flavoring quality of that product also increases by adding that of adulterant sometime, and sometimes also the coloring property of the food product are also increases, but ultimately the nutritional value of that product are decreases, and it will give a negative impact on the health of the human being. That's why it is very important to detect the adulterant into a food product, and the addition of the adulterant into a food product, the process is known as the adulteration. Here the mineral oil are act as a adulterant, and the sample is what? The sample is our edible oil. This is our sample. Now, why this mineral oil are added into the edible oil? Because it releases a agent which prevent the food items from the sticking, and also create a glossy free also create a glossy free environment. That's why this minerals oils are added into the edible oil. Okay, because when the mineral oil are added, it releases some compound, and that compound are not allow the food item to stick on that oil. Okay, so this is the reason behind the addition of the mineral oil. But this mineral oil can cause a harmful health effect, like it cause a allergic effect, it cause a diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal cramp, and also loss of bowel content, and also cause a blood in stool. So that's why it is very important to detect that mineral oil into a edible oil, because this mineral oil are not due to this harmful effect, it come under the category of the adulterant. Like it causes the allergic reaction, even it causes the blood into the stool, even it causes the abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and sometimes also lower the bowel movement. Okay, so this is the reason behind the detection of that mineral oil. So for performing this experiment, we required this setup. First of all, we required oil as a sample. Then we required a beaker, measuring cylinder. We required a dropper. We required a hot water, and we required a alcoholic potash. So this alcoholic potash are what? They are a chemical reagent which is used to perform this experiment. Okay. So for performing this experiment, we required alcoholic potash, which is prepared by adding a potassium hydroxide pellet into a 2 ml of distilled water. We take 8.6 gram of potassium hydroxide and dissolve into a 2 ml of the distilled water. Then we make up volume 100 ml with the help of the aldehyde free alcohol. Okay, then then this reagent is known as the alcoholic potash. Now how one instrument will also required for performing this experiment, that is your hot water bath. Okay, now how we perform this experiment? We take a 2 ml of oil into a beaker, then we add a 2 ml of alcoholic potash into it. Okay, then after that we kept that beaker inside the water bath for a 15 minutes. Then we add a 10 ml of the hot water. After taking out the beaker from the this hot water bath, we add a 10 ml of the hot water. If the turbidity is formed, then it indicates that the presence of the mineral oil. Okay, Now let's take a sample with the help of the micropipette. We have a micropipette of 1000 microliter C, that is known as a 1 ml. Now I am going to take a sample, 1 ml. You can also perform this experiment into the test tube. 2 ml. Okay. Then what we have to do, we have to add a sorry, we have to add a alcoholic potash. Now take 2 ml of alcoholic potash and add into the sample. Mix it properly. Now kept this beaker inside the water bath for a 15 minutes. Now we will see the result after 15 minutes. Then after that we add this hot water 10 ml. If the turbidity is formed, it indicates that the mineral oil are present. Now after 15 minutes, I am going to take off the beaker from the water bath and see is there any turbidity. See, then I am going to add the 10 ml hot water. Then after that, we will see that is there any turbidity or not. So hot water will be taken with the help of this measuring cylinder. Again, the temperature of the hot water are at the range of 80 to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. See that there is no turbidity or form. Okay, which means that our sample does not contain any mineral oil. This is all about the detection of the mineral oil into a edible oil. I hope you will understand. But if you have any query related to this experiment, you are freely to ask me in a comment box or for a further detail. You can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.